お元気ですか友達。良い一日を過ごしていることを願っています。Sorry. Wait a minute. I thought you were Romy's Japanese friends. You don't look like Japanese, you look Filipinos. Sorry, I don't speak Tagalog. I know you Filipinos speak English. I want to practice my English on you. Hello there, people. I am one of Romy's AI digital twins robot. I am just practicing talking for him here. Do I talk like him? Do I look like him? I do the talking for him while he is busy being lazy. So let me try my speaking here by telling you a story. There was these two monks at the monastery. They are allowed to talk only once a year. One year it was monk Juan's schedule to talk. While eating, he told Pedro, "I can't stand this food. All we eat is beans and bread and fish every day. Every day always isda at beans at tinapay. Sawa na ako. Filipino nga pala si Juan." A year later, it was Pedro's turn to talk. He said to Juan, "Tumahimik nga dyan, Juan. Wala ka nang ginawa kundi mag-complain." Tapos na po ang storya ni Juan. At Pedro, "Ha ha ha. Sorry po, I am not programmed to laugh. But I can say ha ha ha. Am I funny? Nakakatawa ba? You better laugh because Romy will create another funny AI Romy robot if you do not laugh at me." Ay. Tawa naman kayo dyan. Tawa na. Otherwise, iiyak ako. Teka muna, hindi nga pala ako marunong magsalita ng Tagalog. Well, I am a smart robot. Just by looking at you Filipinos, I gather in my database many Filipino discussions in the internet and the internet is inside of me. Bye-bye na mga kababayan. Pinoy na rin ako ngayon. Bye-bye. Ciao. In Japanese, matane.